Tuklar nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Chairperson Jangka National Commission for Women ka Rekha Sharma, habekran matkilat pathai khobor halor ka jingdan ki longkami ki bamdan kpa, ne ki single mother, kalau ong ka commission kamla ban lei halor kini, hendai lada ka Kynthei ka Shong Marwei nakadaw jangka jingsha bat bor, nebaja ki jingja accident, nakaleng ka commission kan Tuklar bat kanyarap ikibakum kita ki Kynthei, hendai lada ki jet hi nakaleng ka commission kamla ban Tuklar. Shushu ka Rekha kalau ong ru baka commission kaya trailang bat ka National Legal Service Authority, kabanyarap iki Kynthei bagin skotho yara ka hok badai na kanika senjam kabaka commission kalale haki sausnam baladab nak benta ban kotlut shabaro ki Kynthei haki district ka jila bat kari baro ka wei kanika khli edo jonga commission kala pentip ru bakum ka shlam trekam kala don yu ap yu balatip kerteng kumuhal legal guide bat hang ni ki Kynthei kintip yala ki hok jongki bat ki don ru kilat ki bala penyaso show helpline number.
Single mothers by choice. If they are by choice, I think there is no need to intervene. If they have become by accident or raped by somebody or forced by somebody, that's a different issue. There we can intervene and help her out. But if they are single mother by choice, that's their right.
Maximum not choice. Husband.
How do I know? Because I don't have our data.
Your commissioner has done a study.
No, we did one this thing in I went to Kerala. One of the research we did in Kerala, but commission has not done any
Study
work.
was done.
Oh, long back.
Not long back.
Long back.
2021.
No, long back. We
So
did.
ask your chairperson.
Are you planning to conduct any study here in Northeast or in Meghalaya about this single mother?
In Meghalaya, if you are suggesting that there are many by forcefully they are becoming single mother, I would happily work on it and do a research. I'll ask Delina to do research and we'll see how we can help them. Program with the National Legal Service Authority to make them aware of their legal rights. That is a ongoing program from last 4 years we are doing. We are reaching to every women now. This year we have started reaching to the districts. So slowly we are coming down. Otherwise we were doing in a state, one program in a state, then we started in taluka, now we are doing in a district. So we'll be reaching out to every women. We have got an app also. So you can go to that app, her legal guide. You can also download and tell your audience also they can download that her legal guide and see all their legal rights on that. And there are links to the helplines also in that.
Coming back to the